put on summer dress for cadets. So as you can see, my hair is already done, so you shouldn't really worry about that much right now because there's going to be another video on it. But let's get started. Now I will be showing you the main parts of your uniform. So first you have your wedge. As you go down, you have your dress shirt. On this, you must have your epaulets as well as your name tag or any other badges or ribbons you may have. I will later be showing you how to put these on properly. As you go down, you have your dress pants, which also have your belts on them. Your belt should be brass on brass. I will tell you what that means later on in the video. And finally, you have your issued cadet socks. These you must wear, as it is a crucial part of the uniform, and as well you have your boots, which I will be showing you how to put on later. So the first thing we're going to start off wearing is your dress shirt, so that's what I'm going to start with, and I'm going to show you how to put these on. These epaulets are just slip-ons, so you slip them on, and then you attach them to this button over here. Now for your name tag, as well as any other badges or ribbons. So you're going to take your name tag, you're going to count how many letters are on it. For example, mine has 6. And then you're going to line it up with the middle part of this button over here. And then you're going to put it directly on top. So make sure this bottom white line touches this when it's on. But make sure your name tag is on the right side. It should not be on top of your heart, it should be on the other side. And when you're putting on the dress shirt, you're going to leave this top button open as there's no tie. So you're going to leave this top button and button all the rest of the buttons. And now let's onto the pant part and this other middle part. You're going to slip it through like you normally would. And instead of putting it out too far or like leaving it way too close, you're going to put it perfectly here so that it's this brass on the other brass. And then you're going to close it. And if your belt is too tight or loose, you should extend it from this side instead of pulling it out on this side, because that's like, you have to have brass on brass. It's one of the requirements, and so this would make everything a lot more easier. Okay, so now as you can see, I put on my pants with the belt, and the pants my shirt is tucked into my pants, and the belt is brass on brass, and it's tucked in all throughout. And yeah, now time for the socks. Okay, so now I'm gonna put on the socks and the shoes, and I'll show you how to roll the flaps of the socks on top of the shoes. Okay, so now we're gonna fold, like as you can see, you put on the socks all the way up, and you put on the shoes, and now you're gonna fold the sock once, so it goes over the shoelaces, the first 2 shoelaces. Then you're going to pull it up, and then you're going to fold it one more time, so it goes right over the first 2 shoelaces again. And now your boots should look like this, and your pants should look like that. And your pants will obviously cover it when you stand up. So the final step is that we're going to put on the wedge. The wedge goes on, and it goes 2 fingers from your eyebrows, 3 fingers on the right side, and 4 fingers on the left side. Have the whole uniform. Thank you so much for watching.